Meaning of exit.
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 Exit. Exit refers to the act of leaving or going out of a particular place, situation, or program. In computer programming, exit is a command used to terminate a program or process. When exit command is executed, all resources allocated by the program are released and control is handed back to the operating system. The return value from the exit command can be used to indicate the success or failure of the program. Overall, exit is a crucial command in programming as it allows programs to efficiently manage their resources and gracefully terminate when necessary.